Hi everyone, I just arrived in Pakistan and here's how I spent my first day. First, I started my day playing with my toys while waiting for yummy breakfast. After breakfast, I went to my aunt's home, and guess what? There were so many colorful parrots, yellow, blue, green, and even white ones. I tried to swing high in the air, but it went too high. I almost fell and got scared. Then my grandma bought some fabric to stitch a dress for me. They measured my size. I felt like a fashion model. Later, I met my cousin. We both looked at each other, but we didn't say hello. I was waiting for him and he was waiting for me. I played tennis with my grandfather. It was so much fun. Day 2, me and Amal went again to see the parrots. And when we arrived, we looked at the parrots right away, and we played with them for a while. Now, they have a brand new pink home with swings inside. So pretty. a brand new swing, and the other one was broken. That's why I was about to fall. And Amu was enjoying so much, and later we also played with toys. Whoa, any students coming? Come. We also had some tasty food and snacks there. What is Elmo doing? Oh, maybe dancing? Yummy biscuits, my favorite. After coming back home, I played with balls and played hide and seek with my cousin. We even saw a bug outside. The water was so cold I couldn't even breathe, but it was fun. After that, we went to March to buy some snacks. I love shopping. let's open everything. Those are a lot. Okay, let's open this one. Oh wow! Little spoon, a whistle. It's all melted. Ta-da! ABC jelly. Aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for book. C for car. And C for children. Okay, let's try some. Wash it up. This letter is S. Yummy. Letter A. It's very hard to realize a letter. Oh. Yummy. Kokomo, my favorite baby, Chili Milly Yums, Coco. There's so many things. How am I gonna fit all of this in my stomach? Oh, a tiny one. I have an idea. I could share with my sister and my cousins. Thank you, everybody.